With StatStock, restocking medication trays couldn't be easier. Just place the tray into the StatStock box, head to the StatStock website and select Restock Kit. After scanning, you'll get a detailed report showing what's missing, what's expired, and what's expiring soon. But honestly, every system does that. So let's talk about what makes StatStock different. First up, nested kits. StatStock lets you require verified completed kits inside other kits. Picture this. There's an epi shortage and you're building makeshift emergency kits. With StatStock, you can be confident each smaller kit is complete and verified before it's added to a larger tray. Smart idea, right? That's because our customers thought of it. We listen and build what makes their jobs easier. Speaking of great customer ideas, let's look at Untagged Items. This feature lets you manually record quantities and soonest expiring dates without the added cost of tagging every single product. You decide which items are worth tagging and which aren't, giving you flexibility where it matters most. Once you're finished with the untagged section, simply place the required tag medication into the tray, hit scan, and you're done. Cue the confetti, because that's another tray restocked and ready to go. StatStock. Catchy line right